Guys, it is time for another Bitcoin update video because we are right now forming a new chart pattern on the smaller time frames that is about to break out. We are actually right at the neckline of this chart pattern, and this could actually, if the breakout is successful, bring us above the very important daily VPVR horizontal resistance zone, which is pretty much the last resistance that we have in our way before Bitcoin has the potential of reaching a new all-time high. So if you don't want to miss this breakout now, stick around till the very end of this video. I will tell you exactly how I will trade this breakout and how I will react with my almost $4 million worth of Bitcoin long positions that are in a profit of approximately $1 million. So I want to make sure that if this breakout actually fails, that I take profit of those trades, because more downside is very realistic for Bitcoin if this breakout fails. Because as you remember, guys, I told you already yesterday, if we break below our ascending triangle that I showed you in yesterday's video, I'm expecting a drop down to at least $55,000. And the $55,000 level actually got reached exactly almost. We had a massive wick to the downside, probably a small amount of over leveraged long positions that got wiped out there. But from the hourly and the 4-hourly closes, we actually bounced exactly at the $55,000 level, which I predicted perfectly in yesterday's video. I know I mentioned that I'm expecting the ascending triangle to break to the upside, just because the probability of this chart pattern is a little bit higher to break to the upside. But I also told you that I won't scale up my long positions till we see the breakout to the upside. And I also told you guys that if we see a breakout to the downside, I expect the drop to $55,000. So this actually worked out great. And now let's not talk too much. Let me show you this new chart pattern. Also, guys, before we jump into the content, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like on this video. Every single video of mine reaches 3,000 likes. Just the yesterday's one didn't reach 3,000 likes. I don't know why, guys. So if the video hasn't reached 3,000 likes as soon as you watch it, please make sure to smash up the like button. It supports me a lot. Thank you very much for you guys' continuous support. Please also don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a comment down below. And also, guys, I am actually right now starting to buy my first NFTs. It's a very new thing for me. I just bought, for example, this CryptoPunk down here yesterday. Maybe this page is not loading. I don't know why. Maybe let's just take a look at my... now it's loading. I bought this CryptoPunk down here. I bought a Bored Ape Yacht Club and a couple of other things. And ironically enough, my crypto dick butts are actually right now performing the best of all of them. But whatever, guys, it's a very new space for me. So just leave a comment down below if you want to get updated on my NFT things that I'm doing now as well. Like I said, I'm not a pro at all. Probably a lot of people in the comments down below will help me and make suggestions for my NFTs actually, because like I said, I'm a very big noob in the NFT game so far. I'm just pretty much a Bitcoin and Ethereum trader. I have most of my money in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I just use a small portion of my HODL portfolio to open positions to increase my HODL portfolio. But now let's not talk too much. Like I said, please make sure to smash up a like, subscribe, activate the bell, leave a comment down below, share the video with your friends. This supports me the most. And now let's jump right into the charts. On the daily time frame, as I already mentioned, there has nothing changed pretty much. We are still in this horizontal VPVR resistance here on the daily time frame, and as long as Bitcoin doesn't break above the $58,000 level pretty much, I think we will still, or actually the $59,000 level would be the best case to break, because after that Bitcoin pretty much has no resistance left at all. Maybe psychologically a little bit the old all-time high, but I don't think this will be a problem to break as soon as we leave this horizontal VPVR resistance behind us, and a new all-time high is then imminent for Bitcoin. But guys, we are still on the 4-hourly time frame. Not out of the blue in a kind of way. We still have the risk of getting rejected here at the $56,500 price level, because if we take a look now on the even smaller time frames, you can see that Bitcoin pretty much bounced exactly in this $55,000 level area as I mentioned it. But if we even take a look on the 1-hourly time frame, we can see that Bitcoin is actually forming right now a W pattern, which is about to break out if the bulls manage to bring an hourly candle above the $56,500 level. So that's pretty much the exact price level that I'm keeping an eye on right now, the $56,500 level. If we don't break this to the upside, I will for sure not scale up my trades. And if we break the $55,800 level to the downside, I think through the invalidation of this W pattern, because the bulls have a big chance of breaking this to the upside. If they fail, this would definitely show that the bears are still in market control, and this would mean that more downside is to come for Bitcoin. So if we break the $55,800 level to the downside, I will again take a little bit of profits of my trades. I, for example, already took some profits of my Phemex long position. As you guys see, the funding fees, normally the realized P&L is in a slight minus. Now it's already in a plus, so I already took a little bit of profits here off this trade. I'm still in around $224,000 here in a profit on my Phemex trade, another $300,000 in a profit on my Binance trade, and for sure I have several other trades that will add up to a total of around $4 million of position size. But like I said, you pretty much know exactly what I'm going to do. It's again just 2 price levels, and we will break one of these price levels probably during this day. So like I said, just a little bit of profit taking as soon as we break to the downside below the $55,800 level. And if we see something like this, Bitcoin just needs a little bit more time but doesn't fall below, and we break the $56,500 level, I can already tell you guys I will for sure scale up my longs again, because the price target for this W pattern would actually put the Bitcoin price above the very important VPVR resistance at exactly $59,000. Yes, guys, you are seeing this correctly. This W pattern would have a breakout target of $59,000. So this is exactly where our daily VPVR resistance ends. And by the way, shout out again for Chris from Crypto. He's also here. We have the shared office. He's sitting right next to me. And yeah, that's pretty much. Chris, are you also looking at the VPVR resistance? Oh, this is this is, by the way, the CryptoPunk that Chris bought yesterday. We both bought a CryptoPunk yesterday. This one is also very, very nice.
VPVR resistance is right now the most important one, the horizontal, right, from the previous high.
Yes, this one, pretty much. Or you're talking about this small one over here, probably
exactly
the big one. Yes, this one I'm talking about as well. So you see, guys, even Chris and I, our opinions have some sort of confluence, or exact confluence actually. So, like I said, just keep an eye on those 2 price targets, prices that I just mentioned. And I think we should be good to go, and we know exactly when to open new longs, when to scale down our longs, scale up our longs. This is pretty much what I'm keeping an eye on at the moment. But guys, I would, as always, really appreciate it now if you could smash up a like on this video. Please try to reach 3,000 likes again, as on every single video so far. Just the yesterday's one didn't reach 3,000 likes, so it would be amazing if we could get the momentum going back on this channel. And please make sure to subscribe, activate the bell, share the video with your friends, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. And also, guys, comment down below. Do you want to have updates on my NFTs? Please let me know. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.